In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop sharing your location on Instagram app. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can stop sharing your location on the Instagram map. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Then you click on the bottom, which is the airplane icon. Alright, this is the message icon, and then you can see that I put that location off, right? So how do you turn it off? Alright, you click on that small little word location off. And then when you click on that, you can see that you open up location of your friends and things like that. Okay, for now, I'm not sharing location. I can click on that, and then you can see who can see my location. If I want them to see my location, I can just click here and share my location or close friends if I wanted to. Alright, or only these friends. You select a few people that you want to share. So for example, I just put I want everyone, my friends to see it. Just share location, and then my location is shared. Right, if I want to turn it off, I just have to click on the gear icon and then just click on the one. Okay, but I'm fine with sharing. Okay, hopefully more people can find me in my account. So yeah, so that's how you can turn off your location in Instagram map. There's pros and cons on that. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. So yeah, hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.